sorry. Okay, move up, push, push. He's hit, he's hit. Get him up. Good one. Hit. Let's ignore the crap out of him. What you say? Come on, need people to push up. Need him up. Okay, can we push up any? Okay, move over there, cover there. Okay, cover that side. Check the numbers. Coming through, big load. You good? You good?
Good.
Okay. We have what?
5 minutes to withdraw your forces.
Awesome. Thank you.
HVT has been completed and return to spot.
Excellent. What are you guys doing now?
About to go home, follow the squad.
Everybody converge on Charlie. Get back up.
Where's Charlie?
Charlie has left their position.
Yeah, that's a good call.
They are tasked with locating and disarming a bomb.
Location unknown.
Through lockers, let's go. Go, go, go. Yeah. Move in, move in. Yeah, I think they're on the left, right through here. Hold fire, hold fire. Contact, dark forest. Yeah, let's push it. I'll provide cover, and then you move across. Ready? Okay, move that way, go, go. Move around them. This is Longbow coming over. think that was a hit. Good one. I'm gonna call it. Medic.
Alright, party in here.
Don't go in. No. Oh, that's epic.
That's about to be the highlight of my day right there.
Okay, is this an actual picture of him?
That's him, yeah.
Okay.
You guys figure that is Bruce?
HBT.
No, we'll figure it out though. 2A, 2E, 1B, 1I.
Oh, asset, basically.
Yep.
Yeah. Sorry. Hit, 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 hit. He's hit, he's hit. Sorry. My light overpowered your red. Yeah. Good one.
No problem.
Sorry about getting you that second time.
No, that's okay. Yeah, I'd expect it.
Yeah. Very end, last pillar. That freaking should have hit him. For Alpha, bottom is clear. That puts Red C
Yeah, no, he's good.
in the second floor.
Yeah, he's fine.
My guess is Echo.
Okay.
Let's push him right now. Go. Same place. Go. Right cover. Go, 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 go. Through there. Go, go. Red C, you with us? Okay, let's move. Follow. Stay close with him. Go. I got a camera. We'll review it. Okay, through there. Back same place. Okay. If you can't post it, I'd like to know who. Okay, move, move. Move with him. Go, go. Move, move back. Come on. Okay. Follow me. Just let's make a rush. Red C, you allowed to run? Awesome. Let's run. Alpha. Move, move, quick. Go, go. Stairs, stairs. Right now, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Downstairs, downstairs, over here, over here. Here, here, here. Have HBT moving to respawn, bottom floor, I, India, over. Alpha to command, HVT is en route. It's clear up through the middle. Okay, Red C, where are you at?
To your right, to your right. Behind you.
Oh. What else do we need to do?
That's it.
Awesome. Hit, good one. Good one. Good little nick. Dead man, and friendly. We're clear over here. I'd bring him straight through here. HVT coming our way, over. halfway through here. HVT coming out backside of labs here shortly. Over. You guys need to switch out, let me know.
I do.
You do?
Down, down, down.
Rotate. Come out.
Right here.
Gotcha.
Go on the backside.
Negative.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, up. Oh God. I'm sorry, this side is heavier. No shit. No, your back is fat.
What's on elastic?
Switch. Clear. Switch. Here. I can get the back.
Bring us 2 more.
Get him up.
Go!
I need 3 people rear security right now.
First you get your gooey bruise.
Straight in. Straight around the corner and in. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go. Straight in here. Straight in. Straight in. Go, go, go. Straight in. Good one. Somewhere. We gotta push in. Alpha, what's our progress into 2 mic? Over. Roger that. Over. Alpha to command. We need a DOD and 2 mic. Over. ASAP.